Guys, we did just get some new Hot Wheels in the mail today. Actually, 2 boxes, the 20 and the 50 pack. We'll be doing the 50 pack later, so let's get to this one right now. Now, I've been, you know, looking at trying to find cars out there in the wild, but a lot of our shelves and stuff are picked over. So because of that, you know, it's just easier sometimes to just order these. And we got a Lamborghini out of this last time, some cool cars. So ready for the moment of truth, guys? Oh, nice. That is pretty cool. Ooh, the McLaren. Let's check this out. Here's the other pack. Some nice cars in there. If you haven't picked up already, some of my favorites are the exotics. This looks like it's a McLaren. Cool. I'll show you guys some of these other cars. Go. I hope that you guys have an awesome day and check out some of our other videos.